Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ramon with the Rhodesian Konnection. So it's New Year's Day and we're a little bit hungover from last night. Too much drinking and partying. So we decided to do something. At least Julia is going to be doing it, and I'll show you the whole preparation. We're going to make something called Plov or Plov. Whichever way you want to call it. It's an Uzbek specialty, and it's made with rice, and today we're using lamb meat. So that should be a really delicious, tantalizing lunch / dinner.
Sucking out our
All the
alcohol.
Yes. That's exactly what we plan to do. So, we're not going to go anywhere. We're just going to be indoors.
We woke up late, about 2 o'clock.
That's right. We came back last night, actually this morning. We got here like 3:30 a.m. So we slept in bed, and so we're just about starting to eat the first meal of the day. And that's going to be plov. So guys, just follow me. This is the rendered fat from the kuzu or the lamb, and Julia made it into a dish. It's kind of like the Spanish dish called chicharrones, and it's so deadly delicious. She put the onions here, the red onions dipped in, it was vinegar or was
vinegar.
it? Yeah, dipped in vinegar, and leave it there soaking for a few minutes, and then just drop them on top of this chicharrones, and you can eat that with some bread. This is the homemade bread that she made. It's like a brown bread.
Sorry for the mess.
Really delicious. You're kind of like, you guys remind us. Alright guys, so in the pot right now is the lamb.
So today is New Year's Day. Let's just start with that.
Yeah, Happy New Year guys.
And we woke up still hungover. We still have so much alcohol in us. So we decided to make plov.
Yeah, plov is like a very authentic Uzbek classic dish. And this time I've finally gotten Julia to love baran, or the lamb, and so we're making the plov or the pilav with lamb, and that's what's cooking right now in the oil. And the oil that's in there is actually directly from the rendered fat that we she cooked earlier. And what else you have in here? You have onions?
And onions,
yeah.
Now it's boiling in the water. I added some water. And after this, we'll add carrots and then rice. And it should be done in about an hour. And we'll be eating our food. Right now the rice is in.
Some of the other goodies that we gonna eat today. More pickles that Julia has made. That's with the cucumbers. We got cabbage, the kimchi, Korean, and then we've also got here the eggplant, baby eggplant, pickled. Guys, this is our favorite game. It's backgammon or narde. And Julia, who's winning?
First game Ramon won. So let's see about that.
Alright, this is round 2. Let's continue. This is while we're waiting for our plov to be completed.
So now I'm gonna close it up. It evaporated all the water.
Yeah, guys, and this is the a typical, they call it kazan. It's a special cast iron pot that's used to prepare the plov. So
this is the way I make it. I'm not saying that I'm making it right.
This is the best way. I've eaten in restaurants before. We even ate in Uzbekistan, and Julia's plov is the bomb. All right, we're gonna put like a plate on top.
Yeah, and it's working on its own steam.
Yep, that's on the gas stove. Gas is the best. Just cooks everything nice and evenly.
And we go, and we shall eat in about 25 minutes.
Julia said it. 25 minutes. Check that out.
It's going to be in a different pot because I don't want to take everything out.
Yeah. Is there any burnt pots over there?
No. Cooks just like perfect.
Okay. This kazan has done the trick. Just look at my platter here. It is the bomb. I can't wait to sink my teeth into it.
Happy New Year.
Yep. And I'll be enjoying my Happy New Year right here with my stomach satiated. The thing that always accompanies the plov is this salad called artichoke, and it's got cucumbers with the red onions and tomatoes. So.
And chili pepper.
Yeah, chili pepper in there. We like it a little spicy. And just check out my delicious plov, ready to be dug into. Can't wait. This is a feast for the gods. And you know what? We're all gods, so we have to enjoy the feast together. Hey guys, so I hope you liked this video that we just put together. It was a New Year's Day video, and showing you something special that we love to eat over here, a specialty that Julia prepares, plov. Until the next time, if you like my video, guys, and you want to get any more information about the plov, hit me a message below, or hit me a thumbs up if you like my video. Until the next time, this is Ramon with Rhodesian Konnection. Cheers.